Hey, I am Raki. Hey, I am Panda the server. Hey, I am Foxy the cable manager.
I am Pingu the UPS.
I can't keep my cool. These cables are everywhere. Which one goes where?
This doesn't look good.
We really need someone to organize this. Not fear, true believers. Rackbot is here. Let's get these cables perfectly arranged. Symmetrical and secure, just how I like it. Wow, everything is running cool.
Power is stable.
Let's keep your infrastructure ready for tomorrow. Data Rack Technologies, powering future-ready data centers. Everything is cool, secure, and running perfectly. Reliable power keeps every mission alive. Together, future-ready data centers. Welcome to Data
Rack Technologies is a leading manufacturer and supplier of high-quality data center racks, server cabinets, and customized metal fabrications. With years of experience in the industry, we provide innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of modern IT infrastructure.